Bitcoin Daily Analysis, July 27, 2026. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is July 27, 2026, and in this video we're taking a look at Bitcoin's price action, the key levels traders should be watching, and the possible scenarios for the next 24 hours. Because apparently humanity has decided that staring at candlesticks all day is a perfectly reasonable hobby. Let's dive in. Bitcoin continues to trade within a critical area after recent volatility. The market remains highly sensitive to macroeconomic developments, institutional flows, and overall risk sentiment. While long-term fundamentals remain strong, short-term traders are focused on whether Bitcoin can maintain support and build momentum for another push higher. From a technical perspective, the daily trend remains constructive as long as Bitcoin holds above its major support zones. Buyers have repeatedly stepped in during pullbacks, suggesting that demand is still present. However, the market is showing signs of hesitation near resistance levels, indicating that traders are waiting for a stronger catalyst before committing to the next major move. Looking at the daily chart, the first key area to monitor is the nearest support zone. If Bitcoin remains above this level, bulls maintain control and the probability of continued upside increases. A successful defense of support would likely encourage buyers to target the next resistance region. On the upside, resistance remains the most important obstacle. A decisive breakout above resistance, accompanied by strong volume, could trigger fresh buying activity and potentially open the door for a continuation of the broader uptrend. Traders should pay close attention to volume because breakouts without participation often fail and turn into traps. Financial markets have a remarkable ability to punish people who become too confident for more than 3 consecutive minutes. Momentum indicators currently suggest a balanced market. The relative strength index is not showing extreme overbought or oversold conditions, which means there is still room for movement in either direction. This neutral reading often appears before a significant directional move. Meanwhile, moving averages continue to provide valuable context. If Bitcoin remains above the major short-term and medium-term moving averages, the trend structure remains bullish. A break below these averages could signal weakening momentum and increase the likelihood of a deeper correction. Let's discuss the bullish scenario first. In the bullish case, Bitcoin holds support, buyers continue absorbing selling pressure, and volume begins to increase. Under this scenario, the market could challenge recent highs and potentially establish a new short-term upward leg. If resistance breaks convincingly, momentum traders may enter aggressively, creating additional buying pressure. Institutional demand remains one of the most important long-term factors supporting Bitcoin. Continued capital inflows from large investors can help stabilize pullbacks and reinforce confidence throughout the market. As long as institutional participation remains healthy, many analysts expect dips to attract buyers rather than trigger panic selling. Now let's look at the bearish scenario. If Bitcoin loses support and sellers gain control, we could see a deeper retracement toward lower support zones. A breakdown accompanied by strong selling volume would increase the probability of further downside. In that case, traders should remain patient and avoid chasing the market emotionally. One common mistake among retail traders is confusing a temporary bounce with a confirmed trend reversal. Markets often produce sharp countertrend rallies before continuing in the original direction. Waiting for confirmation can reduce risk and improve decision-making, which is much less exciting than gambling but tends to work better over time. For today's trading session, watch three things closely. 1. Whether Bitcoin can maintain its primary support level. 2. Whether trading volume increases during any breakout attempt. 3. Whether momentum indicators begin showing stronger directional signals. These factors will provide valuable clues regarding the market's next move. In summary, Bitcoin remains at an important technical crossroads. The broader trend remains constructive, but resistance continues to limit upside momentum. A successful breakout could lead to renewed bullish acceleration, while a loss of support may trigger a larger correction. As always, risk management should remain the top priority regardless of market direction. That's today's Bitcoin analysis for July 27, 2026. If you found this update useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next market update. Trade safely, manage your risk, and I'll see you in the next analysis.